Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel The Tech Labs. This video is about how to install and configure OpenVPN in Windows for free. Steps required are as under. Search for OpenVPN community or go to link in the description to download. Click on Community, then click on Downloads. Under Download section, click on button adjacent to Windows X 64-bit MSI installer and download the file. Click on the downloaded MSI file and execute it. When new window appear, click on Install Now and wait till the installation gets finished. After few seconds now a window will appear. Click on Close to complete OpenVPN installation. An error window of OpenVPN GUI will appear. Don't worry about it as occurs as we have not created a config file till now. So click on Close. Now an OpenVPN GUI app shortcut icon on the desktop and also OpenVPN GUI icon in the right side bottom in the taskbar will appear. Now if you right-click on the bottom icon, you have an option to import files or access server or URL. Now we will move further and get file needed to import and run OpenVPN. Open browser and search for free VPN Vyuk or click on the link mentioned in the description. Scroll the page a little bit where you see tabs for News, PPTP, OpenVPN and Outline VPN. Select OpenVPN tab and click on the server closest to you to download the certificate file and also note down the mentioned username and password of the same. Extract or unzip downloaded certificate file and go to extracted unzipped location. You will find 3 files. Next step is to import one of the file. Right-click on the OpenVPN GUI icon placed in the bottom right side of the taskbar. After right-clicking the OpenVPN icon and select Import, then click on Import from File. Navigate to the unzipped file location folder and select the first file and click on Open. This will import all the setting and file imported successfully message will be displayed at the right bottom of the screen. And after few seconds a running message will also be displayed. Right-click on the OpenVPN icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and click on Connect menu item. Then a dialog box to enter username and password will appear. Enter the login credential, which was noted at the time of downloading the certificate file. Click on Save Password and finally click on OK. After few seconds, a message window will appear showing that you are connected to the OpenVPN server and an IP assigned will also be visible in the message. We are now connected to OpenVPN server. If you see your public IP, the IP shown will have different location to our actual location. This will help us to browse and work on internet anonymously. Please appreciate the video by liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel. Thank you.